because we all know that as the country Nigeria is mentioned anywhere today, the first thing that comes to mind is insecurity. Therefore, anybody who is here, I am sure, has the interest of Nigeria at heart. I will be speaking on harnessing technological innovation for crime prevention and control in Nigeria. However, I want to emphatically state that my brother here and colleague, Engineer Lusty, has done marvelously well to the issues concerning technology in crime prevention and control. I'm sure you all heard me call him engineer. When an engineer speaks on technology, the difference is clear. I am not an engineer, so please don't expect so many of these technical terms from me. I'll be speaking as a security man. Like most of the people wearing uniforms here, I tried my hands in that, and after such, started out civil security. I have never been opportuned, and I'm sure if I ask Mustafa if I was in his class when he read engineering, he will tell you I wasn't there. So discussing the above subject matter, emphasis must be on crime prevention than crime control. And why I would say emphasis should be more on crime prevention and control is because it is only when prevention fails that control comes to play. Police officers here can testify to that. That is a situation you are not able to prevent that you begin to manage. The only way actually for effective crime prevention is to go proactive, meaning try and do what you can before the incident occurs. And in doing this, it can only be achieved through intelligence-based security action. Now, in modern world, doing intelligence gathering involves a lot of data collection, data analysis. And I want to ask, with the population of Nigeria exceeding 200 million, what is the population of Nigerian police? What is the population of the DSS? What is the population of the NIA? They do not have the physical manpower to do the data collection and analysis. The only way this can be achieved is to go into acquisition of such technologies that will help in the data collection and analysis. I want to look at the point where I will possibly be seen as a relevant. If we must succeed
that's what I'm saying. Somebody is delivering that
I'm not contributing and I want to criticize.
You can criticize.
If we don't do things, there should be.
For instance, the insecurity in Nigeria started out as an internal security challenge.